everyone. On this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do 3D stamp and edger. What I do, I pick out the Chicago kit. I'm gonna take out that heart at number 26. Well, this kit have about 12 stamps, so this is just one of them. Okay, I'm gonna place it right here. I'm gonna be using this heart edger to create my heart design. After that, I will be using a V-shaped edger who will help me to cut my design for my heart. I prepped already, so all I gotta do is apply a very thin layer coat of primer. Angle this nail down like this, sprinkle it lightly, a little bit of pink acrylic right near the cuticle. Head down, angle the nails. Okay. Pat. Let the product float in. Okay. Well, make sure you angle it down. Okay. You pull everything into the center. Okay. Make sure that you have your products around this cuticle are nice and round. Okay. If you miss something, go ahead and come back and add a little bit to it. Okay. To make sure they cover well. Clean it out. Okay. Now use your hot edger. Dip a little bit into the monomer, just like this. Okay. Okay, what you do, you go down with your finger on the bottom. You go down like this. Okay, you cut, and then you rock, and then you pull out. Okay. Okay. After you pull everything out, apply another coat of red powder. Go ahead and let it sit next to it and push all the way to that wall that you just cut. Okay, lay it down even. Okay, bring in your product. Okay. Bring it all the way down. Okay, and work. Work yourself down. Take your time because the product won't dry. It gives you enough time to play with. Make sure you shape them all the way down. Okay. Now I'm gonna use the 3D stamp, the hot 3D stamps. Place into the monomer. Okay. So it get wet a little bit. Okay. You see there's an arrow here, point up. That arrow will point toward your client. Okay, what you do, you press it down. Okay, after you press it down, go ahead and check your side. This side, it just fall out by itself, or you can just remove it by easily. I'm gonna use my V cut edger. Dip that into the monomer. Place my edger right close to that where I cut it. Press it down. Okay, rock back and forth, and then pull to get rid of that. Okay, so you have a little bit of here that the stick need to clean them out. Same thing from this side, and then clean it out. Okay. Okay, now go ahead and place that pink powder or any color you like by the tips. Okay, see how I work the product? See how that product hang right there? It just hang there, it doesn't move anywhere until you push that up. Okay. Okay, now go ahead and pat it. Pat. Make sure that you try to shape them with your brush. Okay, not with your file. Mostly try to do everything with your brush so you don't have to do a lot of filing. Okay, use the belly of the brush to pat it. Okay, use the belly is right here. use the belly to pat it. Okay, now I need to come back in with my white powder. Okay, and then place the white powder inside that heart. Okay, want to pat it like this, so let the air pocket, when you file them, sometimes they have air pocket. Now what you do, you press it down, you press the product into that stamps. Okay, now we finished. We have to do is just wait until they dry and we file them. Take about few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. But then if you work in the salon, by the time you get to the second nail or the third nail, it's already dry. Well, if I have time, what I do, I can pinch them in so it get narrow in a little bit around here. But that's up to you, you don't have to. Now go ahead, use this side to push out the skin, so if any acrylic that will stick to it, they will come off easily. Okay, now slightly, 1, easy, 2. Okay, lay this down flat. Okay, here, same thing on this side. Okay, file the tip. Okay, okay, now all I do is come in, file here, and slowly you start seeing the design appears. Turn it, hold finger tight like this, and then file this, and then try to adjust it by looking up this way. Same thing to this side. Look. Okay, all you do, buff. Now, side. Need to wipe off with alcohol. Okay. And now apply 1 coat of gel, top gel. Make sure you cover all the sides. So now your nails are done. As you can see,